AI. You hear about it every day. But what is it, really? At its core, artificial intelligence is software that learns patterns from data and then makes predictions or decisions. Show it millions of images, and it can tell a cat from a dog. Feed it text, and it can answer questions or write code. It's not magic. It's statistics and optimization running at insane scale. Most of what we use today is called narrow AI. It's extremely good at one job: translating languages, recognizing faces, driving a car, or chatting like a human. General AI, that can think and learn across any task like a person, is still a research goal, not something you can download. So, what about AI agents? An AI model on its own just gives you an answer. An AI agent can also take action. It can plan steps, call tools, browse the web, write and run code, send emails, or move money, all in a loop. You tell it the goal, it figures out the steps. Think of AI as the brain, and the agent as the brain plus hands and a keyboard. That's why agents can feel like employees. They don't just talk, they do. Used well, AI doesn't replace you. It multiplies what you can do in the same hour. This is Blackout Tech, no hype, no fluff. Just the truth about AI in under 90 seconds.